Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? For today, I have this product here that is really handy if you guys want to use it in your car or at home for your TVs or whatever it may be. So what it is a wireless adapter receiver for your TV or car where you can plug it in and then play your music onto this device to plug it in as a receiver. So for this one, what I really like about it is the fact that there's two modes on it. There's the RX and the TX mode where you can use it for pairing two devices at once, so like two speakers to play all at once. And this brand right here is by TaoTronics. If you guys saw my older video, I did a video for the table desk lamp, and you guys can go check that out if you guys want. But TaoTronics makes a lot of good products as well. We're not talking, let's open up and show you guys what's inside. So they have a micro USB to USB cable. They have this cable to plug in your audio. And they have a 6-month warranty card. They give you an aux cord. And last but not least, here's the device. The way that this device works is that you're plugging your auxiliary cord onto your device and the other end onto your TV. The way you turn it on is you press and hold down this button right here, and it should turn blue. There you go. And that means it's working. And you want to pair it, you double tap it, and it should turn red and blue, and that way it starts connecting and pairing onto a device. So it's very simple, very easy. I'm gonna go test it out right now and show you guys whether or not it works and how it works. So let's get to it.
Apologies and 100% free for reviews and dyes. Try it now, all free clear, the #1 recommended brand for sensitive skin.
This is great.
That's me.
Let's get out of there.
If it only could, you'd be perfect.
Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
So as you guys can hear, the sound quality is very, very different from one and another. It's not in sync. And let me show you guys what the receiver looks like. So here's the receiver. This is what it looks like. So remember I said earlier, tap it 2 times to start pairing. So that's how you pair both of the device. I have it plugged in onto my aux location right here on the TV. And that's how it works. Alright guys, welcome back. So now you guys saw that test, you know that it actually does work. When I use the receiver, the speaker doesn't match up. It's like one going at one rate and the other one's going at another rate. So this product does work, but if you want to use it for 2 speakers, then it won't really work as well. To answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it now, I have to say that it is still worth it because you can still connect it onto TV to play Bluetooth speaker or whatever it may be. But you can't connect it both at the same time to sync. So to answer the question of whether or not this product is worth it is worth it. The fact that it actually does work and they promise that it works, that is the part that I'd say is worth it. The part that where the 2 speakers doesn't sync together at the same time is not worth it. So it goes either way for this. So depending if you really care about the 2 speakers or not. But in my case, I do because I wanted to get one of these products so I can play 2 speakers at once. But now I need to get back to using the wired because the wired works fine with me to connect 2 speakers to play the music or a home theater kind of feeling for my videos and music. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe down below. And make sure to stay positive and be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace!